Good morning to all, and welcome to week 4 of the Michigan Renaissance Festival. This week is Wonders of the World, and as you can see right here, I am in my steampunk getup. I don't know if you can see it, but these goggles light up. Yeah, you can kind of see it. I have some spare goggles just in case, but I'm in a kind of bounty hunter getup, and yeah, it's totally not a rip-off Aaron Black from Mortal Kombat. But since this is Wonders of the World and steampunk, I figured this would be a great place to show off my completed bounty hunter gear. And unfortunately, there's a piece of equipment that I cannot bring here anymore because they have changed the rules. You see, good morning, starting this year, no more replica firearms. So if it looks like it can go boom, you can't bring it in, which sucks because I have this really awesome looking faux ivory triple barrel flintlock pistol that I bought specifically for this outfit, and unfortunately I can't wear it anymore, at least not here. But I compromised and I got a bullwhip instead. So anyway, let's not waste any more time as we enjoy week 4 of the Michigan Renaissance Festival. Now here's a beautiful sight. Smoker is smoking here at Brandy's on Cast Barbecue. I might have to get some ribs later.
Well, piracy's a way of life, we're married to the waves. But pretty soon you'll come to terms, you'll meet an early grave. I was once the fiercest pirate who ruled all the 7 seas. But then a blasted cannon took both legs below my knees. Raising glass for the ones who died and never made it home. Cheers to all the limbs I lost adrift in the sea foam. A toast to all the memories all wasted in the bar. My story's written on 1,000 scars, and I need some R&R. I'm sick of living my whole life on sorting of the gun. When you're missing both your legs, it's kind of hard to run. As soon as I decided to retire up on the land, another blasted cannonball relieved me of my hands. Raising glass for the ones who died and never made it home. Cheers to all the limbs I lost adrift in the sea foam. Toast to all the memories all wasted in the bar. My story's written on 1,000 scars, and I need some R&R. The Navy just kept hunting, there would not be a truce. The law was unforgiving, hell my parrot met the noose. I thought I could escape them, but then much to my surprise, some blasted cannon shrapnel shot out both of my eyes. Oh, with missing eyes and limbs I knew I wasn't going to flee. I hoped they'll scatter my remains across the salty sea. The only way a pirate will find rest is when he's dead. 'Twas then I heard that cannon shot that soon removed my head. Raising glass for the ones who died and the ones that I love most. Cheers to all those limbs I lost that left me as a ghost. A toast to all the memories while questing shores apart. My story shall be written in the stars. Raising glass for the ones who died and never made it home. on the limbs I lost adrift in the sea foam. A toast to all the memories while wasted in the bar. My story's written on 1,000 scars, and I need some R&R. But many times we're giving runs that are quite unseeable. We're up from that and Camelot. We sing from the time from the Lord. In war we're tough and able, quite indefatigable. Between our quests, we suck with best of the person and they clerk below. It's a busy life in Camelot. I have to push the Three, two, one, go! On some thought, let's not go to Camelot. It's a silly place.
Hello again. Well, I bought several things so far. First thing I bought today was a koi flag from Ohio Kimono. I'll hang this up in my yard. And the second thing I bought is going to be used for my pirate character next time. It's got an anchor box. It is a bosun whistle that captains use to call their crew. I haven't really found a way to. I need to learn how to use it, but that'd be nice.
It's vanilla with lemon zest. It's delightful and it's delicious. But we need magic. We always need magic, and I like to give a healthy heap of pixie dust. Ethically sourced, of course. No pixies are harmed in the taking of this dust. They would never let me live it down. Now, more. Always more. The more, the healthier. Yeah. Now, the most important part of a Dragonfire creme brulee, obviously, is the Dragonfire. And we have so many dragons to choose from. Who do you want to work with?
The green.
Green? This green?
Yeah.
This is Julie. Julie is the talk of the town, in that she is constantly in town talking. You see, it's hard to get her to work half the time, because, well, dragons spend so much time trapped in towers, isolated from all of society. And so the moment she gained freedom, her first thought was, I'm gonna go into town and find out all of the drama. I wanna know everything. You see, all she had heard for so long was, you know, my brother did this, and my sister's perfect, and, oh, he stole his toy, and she did this, and it's boring, you know? You don't want to hear that. No, she was interested in other things. Like how the butcher's son has been hanging out around the baker's daughter, even though the baker's daughter is betrothed to another. And sure, she's betrothed to the blacksmith's son, but the blacksmith's son has been off at war, making weapons for the war. So it's a little bit suspicious because she said they're still betrothed, but I don't know. It's just, why would she be hanging around with another boy? Unless it's consensual, of course. But it's just been a little suspicious. And that's the kind of stuff that you don't hear about when you're locked in a tower. Now, gossip is all well and good. I love it. I mean, I'm really entertained. But when you spend so much time with your nose in other people's businesses, you tend not to pay attention to what's underneath your nose. Like the creme brulee that you just made. And sure, it looks delicious, but when a dragon gets distracted, they make magical curses. Each one of these turned into a rock. It's just a little too distracting. Now, we don't eat rocks here. We don't eat rocks here. I want to mention that again.
Gotcha.
Some people disagree with me. I have to say what I say. So, in order to eat these, you're going to need a little bit of magic.
Okay.
Does either of you have magic? Do you have any?
Last I checked, no.
No.
I think it bubbled a little bit when you did that. There was something.
You know, I saw. Yeah, I think so. Perhaps. I think something's happening. You know, I'm getting some mumbles from in here.
Uh-oh.
It's happened more than once. Are you doing cash lately?
Obviously, this box wanted you to have a little bit more magic.
Okay.
So pick out a magic spoon.
Are you doing cash?
These are magical curse-breaking items. Now, it only breaks one curse. A spoon is a spoon forever. And each of these is for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Alright, we're about to do some ASMR.
From the rolls, I think I did
Yep,
pretty well.
that is rock fucking solid. Alright, one good crack. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. You've been a naughty creme brulee.
You're mashing
Oh, hi, guys.
It's Sunday. Go to church.
Go to church.
Alright. Time to sample this fucker. Oh my god.
For common decency. For fair decency, no.
Oh god, that is such a cute spoon.
It's a lemon custard.
Public, that's PG-13. Here, that's a
Oh, that is delicious.
Yeah, have another bite if you want.
That is really fucking good.
Yeah, it's delicious. Easily one of my favorite new foods at the fair.
That is super good.
Hey, remember when someone
yeah. It's content time. Oh shit, it's empty.
Take my pants off?
What the
Not
fuck,
that
bro?
kind of content, James.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have an OnlyFans. God damn it.
You could. I mean,
I
I'm
could.
horny right now. Look at me.
God damn it.
All
All right. I'm going to attempt to pour this without dying. All right. Off camera, I'm pouring Lion Kugels. So, okay. Okay, here we go. Nice foamy head. Let's fucking go. That was all foam. God damn. But anyway.
Sir, that was a bit too much head.
Yep.
Too much head.
I thought there wasn't anything such thing as too much head. But anyway.
When they gag, it is.
But anyway.
Words are hard.
Cut me, Mick.
Yeah, let me try the sandwich. Mark kept all the sandwich to the supplement. Not some cherry lime.
All right.
Sure, I hate you.
Gotta snip just a tip.
Oh,
Okay.
fucking me horns.
All right, let's sit here.
All right, so this.
You guys want the car on with the air?
Thinking about it.
Jen, do I have even coverage?
What?
Do I have even,
Looks like it, yes.
Okay. All right. Now we're partying. Hell yeah.
So toasty.
Hell yeah. Cigar, a good cigar, a good beer,
And a burnt wig.
and good friends. Cheers to you guys. And here we have the peasant dancers around the maypole. Look at all the lovely people. Trying to figure out how the hell this thing even works. There they go. More doggos. Rudy.
The cutest dog in the Renaissance
Oh my
Fair.
goodness, there he goes. There he goes. You are huge. Look how big you are. Look at that. The Husky Malamute mix.
It got cold for a little bit, and he was like, "You can keep me outside. I'm fine with it." He was so okay with it.
Oh, what a cutie. Oh my gosh. Ah, thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank
What's your dog's name?
Tear. Nope.
What is it?
Oh, he's like, yeah, I'll help you up. Oh, hi, baby.
What's your dog's name?
Tear.
Tyr.
So beautiful.
From Norse mythology?
Tell me
Yes.
the breed. Cane Corso.
Ah, I've heard of these dogs.
They're also known as an Italian Mastiff.
Yes.
Italian Mastiff. Okay, that I've heard of.
Oh, my boy, a Tyr. A Tyr.
So it's a sweetie.
Good boy.
Protective of family.
Good boy. Very.
Kids.
I don't have kids. I have nieces and nephews.
Okay, but he's probably like.
Oh, yeah, he's great with them, but he will absolutely like.
I'm a German Shepherd person myself. I love the loyalty.
Thank you so much. And thus another Ren Fair comes to a close. It is almost closing time, and I have BLTs cooking at home. So I'm gonna have a very nice BLT dinner when I get home. So until next time, everybody, this has been Big Al. Thank you for joining me on another adventure at the Michigan Renaissance Festival. I shall see you next week. Big Al, over and out.